Hello. Happy Sunday. Well, some of you are still on Saturday and some of you are on a Monday, but happy Sunday. So today we have Anita Hug Jones as our Tech Talk guest. She is such a delight. I cannot wait to share her with you guys. Let's see. So as always, I always got to tell you, today's Sunday. It's noon. It's right at 12 o'clock here in Wyoming. Our forecast today is sunny, which we have about 1.5 feet of snow in our yard, but it feels so good that it's sunny outside today. It's going to be a great day. Hello.
Hey.
Can you hear us, Nita?
Hi. Can you hear me?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
It's kind of loud.
You're going in and
Good.
out, and they seem to having poor connection.
Oh no. Well,
Oh,
just so that you guys know, I just did a pre with Anita. She is at her daughter's cheerleading competition, and she took time out of her day to come and visit with us. We might not be getting the best connection. Ah,
you there?
Anita, I don't know if you can hear us, but
The
it's
screen just
mumbled
stopped.
jumbled, and I
Seemed
don't have
like
us there.
uh,
It sounds like one of those fun computer voices.
you're still, so I can't. Looks like I'm not connecting with you. You're like frozen, and I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
Aw.
Hmm.
I can hear you. It's very loud, but the image on the screen is very mumble jumbled.
Yeah, it's like you're cutting in and out. I'm not getting you there.
So if you can hear me, Anita, I think that we need to try it on another connection.
Yeah, I can't hear you. Like you're.
All right, well, we'll try that again because sometimes that's just how technology goes. And I just spoke to her and it worked just a second ago. So sometimes it's just how it goes. Anyways, I'm really excited to bring Anita on. She is an international nail star. She has worked with many, many top brands and been educators with all of these brands. And she was very passionate about Cuccio. And so she followed her passion and decided that she was just going to just go for it. And anyways, Cuccio has kind of put her up back into the competition arena, I should say. And she's just striving even more than what she was before. She's been a competitor for over 20 years, won multiple titles, graced the covers of magazines, been published many times. She's just an amazing person, let alone nail tech mom and all of that. So when she comes back on, we'll get to tap into her brain and find out how she got to where she is today because it's pretty phenomenal. So let's give this a try again and see if we have a better connection. Somebody's not coming on. So hi, Becky. Hi, Debbie. I see a lot of you guys have joined on. Catherine, Robin. So sorry, we're having a little bit of a technical difficulty. Anita is at a cheer camp, and so she chose to take a little bit of a break. And we tried many different locations to try to find the area with the least amount of cheers in the background. And so we thought we had one, but apparently it didn't want to connect. So I apologize. And now you have to just look at my mug. So while you have me on here until Anita comes back on, do you guys have any questions? Do you have anything that you want to talk about with Anita? Don't let me sit in silence. Well, just to rush ahead, even so, at some point in time, we're going to get Anita back on. So even if for some reason we don't end up connecting today, I will bring her back on. So just to join in farther into Tech Talk, next Thursday, January 11th at 10 o'clock a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So you can always Google, like what I do is I just hit the Google bar and I type in like 10 o'clock a.m. Mountain Standard Time, 2, and then I'll put like UK, and it will tell me what time it will be there. So therefore, you can always find out what it is based off of the original time that's on there. So next Thursday, January 11th at 10, I'm going live with Sue Johnson, who's been in nail tech for over 20 years. Excellent, excellent, and understanding mobile techs and all of the apps that are out there that are on-demand apps to where you can get yourself out there advertising on in a larger scale. I never even heard about this before I talked to her. So it's a pretty big eye opener for me. So all you mobile techs, come on, and then I have a mobile bag to give away on there. And then next Sunday, January 14th, I'm going live with Susie Moscow with Nail Career Education on YouTube. Great YouTube sensation. So if you have not seen her, Google her now and watch some of her stuff. And she's going to be live with me on next Sunday. So it's super fun to know that Tech Talk has just really taken off and come to be a lot of fun. So let's see here. Oh, Emma, I can see that you want to come on live with me. Let's just try it. It's not working. Well, I'm really hoping that with Anita we can bring her back on. Like I said, if for some reason we can't, I will set up a new event and a new time because sometimes this is just how technology goes, and it's just the way that it is. And it just might be as well because I'm not seeing any comments, so maybe there's a possibility that it's even on my end. I'm not quite sure. So how about this? I'm going to end this live and then I'm going to restart it and see if we can get a hold of Anita and see if she found a better location or whatnot to join us. So I'm going to end this one and I will come back on just in the next couple minutes right here in our group. So apologize for all the technical difficulties, but as we well know, that's just the way it goes sometimes. So I'll see you back in just a minute.